I wanted to tell you about a great Humble Bundle deal going on right now that I just picked up myself. For full disclosure, if you use the link that I provide in the video description, Humble Bundle will give me a tiny cut of the proceeds for the referral, so it helps me out, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. Humble Bundle also donates a portion of the proceeds to charities. The charities for this bundle can be found in the sidebar, and they are No Starch Press Foundation and Let's Encrypt. The bundle comes with different levels. The lowest level costs only $1 and you get 3 books. The Tangled Web, a guide to securing modern web applications, Practical Forensic Imaging, securing digital evidence with Linux tools, and Pen Testing Azure Applications, the definitive guide to testing and securing deployments. These are great books to have, and for just $1, it's a great deal. The next tier contains 9 books for $10. In addition to the other books listed, it also comes with Malware Data Science, Attack Detection and Attribution, Attacking Network Protocols, A Hacker's Guide to Capture, Analysis, and Exploitation, Real-World Bug Hunting, a field guide to web hacking, Foundations of Information Security, a straightforward introduction, Serious Cryptography, a practical introduction to modern encryption, Practical Malware Analysis, the hands-on guide to dissecting malicious software. The next level up for the bundle is 16 items for $18. In addition to all the other ones we saw, this level adds rootkits and bootkits, reversing modern malware and next-generation threats, Crypto Dictionary, 500 tasty tidbits for the curious cryptographer, Cyberjutsu, cybersecurity for the modern ninja, Black Hat Go, Go programming for hackers and pen testers, How to Hack Like a Ghost, Breaching the Cloud, Practical IoT Hacking, the definitive guide to attacking the Internet of Things, Black Hat Python, Python programming for hackers and pen testers. And finally, there's the 18-item bundle for $30. That comes out to about $1.67 for each book. I really love these bundles. You're basically getting 18 books for the price of 1 if you get the full bundle. The final bundle adds in the Ghidra book, the definitive guide. Ghidra is a reverse engineering tool. And Ethical Hacking, a hands-on introduction to breaking in. So there's a ton of great books in this bundle. I think everyone can find value in these. It's good for developers, security engineers, security analysts, red team, pen testers, blue teamers, DevOps engineers, network engineers, or anyone who wants to switch careers into cybersecurity. So what do you think? Does this look like a good deal? Do you own any of these books already and have any thoughts that you can share? Well, that's all I've got for now. So until next time, keep hacking. Before you go, check out some of my products and services. Register and join our virtual hackerspace to get your own email account at devdungeon.com, a chat account, and SSH access to our Linux mainframe, which includes personal web space, Git storage, and other member-only perks. Join at my.devdungeon.com. Take my courses, Working with Binary Data in Python 3 and Deploy Django on Linux. Visit devdungeon.com/courses. Buy my book, Security with Go. Visit devdungeon.com/books. If you use Discord, Kathy is a fun chatbot for your server. Visit kathy.devdungeon.com. If you have a website, sign up with Apora to get notified if your site goes down. Visit apora.net. Bookmark devdungeon.com for reference and learning. Subscribe to the YouTube channel at youtube.com/devdungeon. Donate directly via PayPal at devdungeon.com/donate.